Hello friends, welcome back to Tasty Bites. Today we are talking about one of the most beautiful and healthiest fruits, the pomegranate. With its ruby red seeds, it is not only delicious but also a powerhouse of nutrients. Pomegranates are rich in vitamin C, vitamin K, potassium, and fiber, making them one of the best fruits for overall health. One of the most amazing benefits of pomegranate is its antioxidants. These antioxidants protect your body from harmful free radicals and keep your skin youthful and glowing. Pomegranate juice is also known to improve heart health. It helps reduce blood pressure, prevents cholesterol buildup, and supports healthy blood circulation. If you want to boost your immunity, pomegranates are a great choice. The vitamin C inside strengthens your body's defense system and helps you fight against colds and infections. This fruit is also excellent for memory and brain health. Studies show that drinking pomegranate juice can improve focus and reduce the risk of memory problems. And if you're looking for natural beauty, pomegranate keeps your skin fresh, fights acne, and slows down aging signs. Friends, make sure to add pomegranate to your daily diet, whether it's fresh fruit, juice, or sprinkled over your salad. It's a small fruit with big health benefits. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tasty Bites for more healthy food tips.